At the airport or on the plane, don't freeze. Learn the real English conversations you need today. At the airport check-in.
Good morning, may I see your passport? Good morning, may I see your passport?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have a ticket? Thank you. Do you have a ticket?
Yes, it's electronic. Yes, it's electronic.
Perfect. Are you flying to New York? Perfect. Are you flying to New York?
Yes. Yes.
Do you have any bags to check in? Do you have any bags to check in?
Just one suitcase. Just one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale. All good. Here is your boarding pass. Please put it on the scale. All good. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What is my gate? Thank you. What is my gate?
Gate B12. Boarding starts in 30 minutes. Gate B12. Boarding starts in 30 minutes.
How long to walk there? How long to walk there?
About 10 minutes. About 10 minutes.
Great, I'll go now. Great, I'll go now.
Have a safe flight. Have a safe flight.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
On the plane.
Hi, is this seat free? Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit. Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thank you. Are you going to New York too? Thank you. Are you going to New York too?
Yes, for a work conference. Yes, for a work conference.
Nice. First time in New York. Nice. First time in New York.
You'll love it. The city is amazing. You'll love it. The city is amazing.
I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Thanks. Do you travel often? Thanks. Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel for work every month. Yes, I travel for work every month.
That must be tiring. That must be tiring.
Sometimes, but I enjoy it. Sometimes, but I enjoy it.
Okay, I'll try to rest. Okay, I'll try to rest.